continuation. This one fourth diagram. Okay, continuation. So draw 25 line, 25 line and 25 line, and from this point to 25 line. Now we can join like this, like this. You can join like this. You can join like this. You will take the exact length. I am not taking any exact length. Like this we are having. Okay, join like this, like this, like this. Okay, now this is slant line. Okay, and from this point to you can join the this surface line, this top surface line, this surface line. Now also I can join this line, same slant line, and from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. Okay, finally you are getting which one is highlight, which one is dark line. That will show the total isometry. Here also one is left over, here also. So I am taking the dark line. Which one is dark line? Here from the front side, this is top view. We are having this shape, and from the front side, this is the height. How much height? 12 mm. Okay. Now this is the 12 mm height. I am taking this 12 mm height. Now this is the dark line. This is the dark line. Okay. And from this point 12 mm, every corner draw the 12 mm. And from this corner 12 mm, and from this corner 12 mm, and you can join like this, and you can join like this. Okay. Right. Like this we are having joint. Like this. Okay, this is the from the front side. See like this. So this is the depth of the 12 mm, but we are having height 12 mm. We are seeing in the front view, this is the 12 mm. Okay, so this is the 12 mm. From the every corner height should be equal to 12 mm. Kabatti, so that we can take that 12 mm height, 12 mm height, 12 mm height, 12 mm height from the every corner. Okay, but we cannot draw this from this point 12 mm line. Okay, don't draw this line. Don't draw this line. Only this is 12 mm, 12 mm, 12 mm, 12 mm. Now join like this, join like this, join like this, join like this. You will get the this shape of the diagram. Okay, right. Next one. Clearly we listen this video again and again, then you will understand very easily. Okay, now this is the shape of the diagram, should be dark lines. Then you will show like this. Okay, if you understand the procedure of this diagram, it is very easy to understand. Otherwise it is difficult. But okay, this is the total diagram for this isometric view, the conversion of orthographic view into isometric view. Okay, so now I am removing some lines for that, showing the total diagram for the diagram. Okay, don't remove these lines. Okay, you have to show the procedure for how to construct the isometric view. Don't remove these lines. I am showing the total diagram, only the total shape of the diagram. Okay, don't remove these lines. You have to show these lines, very thin lines, very thin lines. Okay, very thin lines. Practice more and more on diagrams. That should be very easy. Otherwise somewhat difficult for these diagrams, but practice is very important for these diagrams. Okay, practice is more important for this diagram. Practice is very more important. This is the total diagram for the shape of this diagram. Like this we are having. So this line also I am removing. Don't remove these lines. Just I am removing for showing the total diagram, total shape of the diagram. So this is a diagram. The line should be, okay, the line should be very thin lines. These removing lines should be very thin lines. This is the total diagram for the conversion of orthographic P into isometric P. Okay, now show the dimensions. Show the dimensions. I am showing only length and breadth and height. Okay, I am not showing all the lengths, all the dimensions. Only I am showing the length and breadth and height. What is the length is given? It is equal to how much? 75. Okay, and breadth equal to how much? This is the breadth. Here I am showing the breadth. Here I am showing the breadth. How much it is equal to? Breadth equal to 50. So this one is 50. This one is 50. Okay, draw, extend this line, and this arrow should be parallel to the breadth line. Okay, arrow should be this line should be parallel to this breadth line. How much this is equal to? 50. And height should be, height this one 12. I am showing this one is 12. I am showing this one is 12. Sorry, this one is 12. This is 12. Okay, this is 12. Okay, and this one is height should be 25. This is the 25. This is the 25. Height should be, this height should be 25. This is the 25. Total 37 height. Total 37. This is 25. Okay. Right. This is the total diagram for this diagram. Okay. Just watch and again the diagrams. Listen. Then it is very easy to understand. It is somewhat difficult, but listen, and it is very easy to understand, easy to draw the diagram. Okay. Very interesting these diagrams. Very interesting. How to construct the isometric view from the orthographic view. Okay. Thank you.